Peter Thiel, Bitcoin is the future and will squeeze other coins like Ethereum out. Bitcoin will grow stronger. U.S. billionaire Peter Thiel has been praising Bitcoin and President Trump, while criticizing Democrats, during his talk at the Economic Club of New York. Thiel, who is a board member of Facebook Inc., said that Bitcoin will only become stronger and will soon squeeze out the other digital currencies, like Ethereum. He has actually invested a lot in Bitcoin through his firm Founders Fund, which has been constantly buying Bitcoin since 2012. In his comparison, Peter Thiel saw Bitcoin as similar to gold and said that the quest to amass money is a bubble that never pops. The billionaire is currently estimated to be worth more than $3 billion. The housing market has been another key area of discussion. Thiel's hedge fund Clarion Capital went down during the housing collapse and was criticized for failing to spot the recovery fast enough. He has, however, singled out high-priced housing as the barrier to many coastal startups. His firms have joined other venture investors who are searching for startups to bankroll, and he believes that the next innovations will come from the less expansive areas. Despite the continuous decline, New York and Northern California's startups still attract close to $70 billion from venture capitalists. Peter Thiel, who has been a strong supporter of Trump, has moved from Silicon Valley to Los Angeles to avoid groupthink mentality, which he views as bad for him. The billionaire praised Trump for having the ability to reframe issues such as the trade with China as long as it promotes economic growth through tax cuts. He actually believes that Trump will even be re-elected in 2020 because Democrats have failed to stop the hate against the president. Thiel already has a new project where he is creating a conservative website from LA where he intends to hire celebrities from Fox News. The news by the billionaire is great, and especially for Bitcoin, which is in a tough stage at the moment, after Google decided that it would ban all Bitcoin assets starting from June, and other regulatory talks which are bringing the price of Bitcoin down. More than half of Square Inc. users are willing to accept Bitcoin. Recent survey shows that Square's merchants would accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. Square Inc. offers a technology at the checkout stand that allows buying and selling Bitcoin. Study revealed that majority of Square's users are willing to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. Square Inc., New York. According to a recent study, majority of Square's users are willing to take on Bitcoin, as more than half of the people who use Square Inc.'s technology at the checkout stand stated they prefer Bitcoin as a form of payment. Also read, Google LLC plans to place ban on cryptocurrency ICOs ads by June. Nomura Instinet conducted the survey on about 100 U.S. merchants. Respondents cut across various industries and had at least $100,000 of annual revenue. In the survey, about 60% said they would accept Bitcoin in place of dollars. Those between the age group of 31 to 40 had the highest representation, as almost 40% of respondents fell under this category. Dan Dolev, one of Nomura Instinet analysts, said in a report on Wednesday, "This result is surprising, especially amid Bitcoin's elevated volatility. Extreme volatility, slow transaction times, and high fees have made many people skeptical that Bitcoin can succeed as a legitimate form of payment. While the network has become more efficient recently, it is still hard to find retailers who are willing to accept cryptocurrencies." According to Yelp, just 28 restaurants within the New York City area accept Bitcoin. Last November, Square Inc. started allowing some of its customers to purchase Bitcoin on its Cash App, thus enabling Square's users to send money to friends. Square Inc. stated last January that it was rolling out the option to almost all users. Jack Dorsey, the company's chief executive officer, said on the firm's fourth-quarter earnings call in February, "Bitcoin, for us, is not stopping at buying and selling. We do believe that this is a transformational technology for our industry, and we want to learn as quickly as possible." Tencent denies $2 billion Ripple investment plans. $2 billion Ripple investment denied by Tencent, China. According to multiple sources, there are speculation that Tencent was looking to invest upwards of $2 billion in Ripple token. However, the Chinese tech firm stated that it has no relevant investment plans for Ripple. The firm declared that the report released on Friday, that it is thinking of investing in Ripple, are fake news. Zhang Jun, Tencent's public relations director, said on his Sina Weibo account. Pony Ma Wateng said the initial coin offering model and cryptocurrency have many risks, so this is definitely fake. We are not interested. This comment came after internet news site Triple News Tech reported on Wednesday that Tencent might invest in Ripple, a U.S. firm that offers a convenient way to send money globally by using blockchain technology. The report further stated that Tencent will offer $2 billion, which is expected to be converted to XRP. The report said the first billion will be announced in July 2018. Also read, Sierra Leone, the First Nation to run blockchain-powered election. However, the official response from Tencent said that the news is not true. A likely response was initially found from a tweet by a journalist, Lulu Yilun Chen, who tweeted, "The Ripple community had a mixed reaction towards this news." Huang Bao, a Ripple investor, says, "Whales just spreading rumors feels like. Drop it till you can, buy cheap then pay some more and hype up the prices." Tencent just hasn't confirmed anything yet. Doesn't he mean it's not true? Kevin Smith, head of operations at Matero, says XRP folks are just blinded by their lust for XRP to hit $5. Peeps need to understand that there is current, XVI, and rapid, all are different. When you hear Ripple partners with, please read about what the partnership is for, though these rumors are far from being put to rest. However, once we hear back from Tencent, we would publish an update or release a new article about it.
Cryptocurrency News Channel. Your new future. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube.